We are here with another segment of Cooking with Pastor Show. We are in the middle of our fast and we want to make sure you have good food to eat. I'm here with Deacon Ralph, also known as Chef Ralph, and we're going to make an eggplant lasagna. He's moving because he's making it happen. This is an eggplant. I didn't even know for sure, but this is actually an eggplant. It's going to be incredible. Just so you know, before we even get there, he says this is not meat. It looks like meat. I guess it's tofu. Tofu crumbles. I don't want y'all to say Pastor made a real one. All right, here we go. Here we go. Okay, so we got the cheese, we got the meat sauce, meatless meat sauce, spread it on the bottom, and then we're just gonna wait for the eggplant. So this is the finished product of our eggplant lasagna. No noodles, we use eggplant as the noodles. Meatless meat, tofu crumbs. And Deacon Ralph, Chef Ralph, we appreciate you, sir. We are going to eat this right now. Thank you, sir. Love you guys.